for the information of everybody, yung Marshall Island Registry po is the third largest flag state in the world. The biggest population of seafarers under Marshall Island, I mean holder of Marshall Island Seaman's Book, is Filipino.
Dapat yung magkaroon na rin ng Philippines ng ganito mga registration para agawin na natin sa iba yung, ang dami nating seaman di ba? Dito
Yes,
na mag-register sa Philippines para flag carrier lahat ng Philippines.
It's possible. No, it's just because if a small country can do that, it's just a matter of there's a lot with the maritime legislation kasi that's what will be holding us back. I've seen the maritime legislation in the Philippines and compared to us sa Marshall Island, there's a lot of tweakings to be done. But it's possible.
So kung dito na sa Pilipinas ang registration, ang laki ng kikitain ng Pilipinas. Tayo na yung magre-rehistro ng mga barko.
Yes, but plus regulation, right? Yeah, that's the responsibility of the flag state to also regulate.